S.C. Gupta, the author of Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics, co-author Professor V.K. Kapoor, and published by Messrs. Sultan Chand and Sons, Daryaganj, New Delhi. I have great pleasure in presenting to you the 12th, thoroughly revised and enlarged Golden Jubilee edition of this book, Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics. So the first edition of the book was published in September 1970, exactly 50 years ago. During this span of 50 years, a large number of books on statistics, both by the Indian authors and the foreign authors, came into the market. But our book has withstood the competition from them boldly and bravely, and still, even today, it's regarded as one of the leading and the most sought after book on the subject throughout the country. This is all due to the good wishes of thousands and thousands of students and the teachers of the subject all over the country. We owe sincere thanks and gratitude to them and seek their support in future also. Some of the prominent additions in this 12th edition of the book are as follows. In the chapter on mathematical expectation, chapter 6, number of inequalities in probability, like Lyapunov inequality, CR inequality, Holder's inequality, Minkowski's inequality, Bernstein's inequality, Fetchard inequality, Chebyshev's generalized inequality, Kolmogorov's inequality, and Kolmogorov's strong law of large numbers have been added. A number of theorems on characteristic functions, along with their derivation and application, have been added. Moreover, a new section on modes of convergence of a sequence of random variables, like convergence in probability or convergence with probability 1 or almost sure convergence, convergence in distribution or convergence in law, convergence in the Rth mean, and the interrelationship between all of them have been discussed in detail along with theorems and proofs. In continuous distributions, some of the new additions have been made, like Pareto distribution, a Lang's family of distributions, Rayleigh distribution. So most of the matter in various chapters have been restructured, and a new chapter on bivariate normal distribution, multivariate normal distribution has been added as chapter number 20. In chapter 21, orthogonal polynomials like Hermite polynomials, Charles polynomials, and their use in deriving the Edgeworth type A series and Gram-Charlet type B series have also been added. All these additions are bound to make the book more successful and more useful for the students. Moreover, a large number of problems selected from the various university exam papers have been added in the book, some as solved examples, while others as questions in the exercise sets. So most of these questions are quite tough and challenging and even require out-of-the-box solutions. So there had been a persistent demand from the students as well as the teachers of the subject to bring out the solutions to the problems in the FMS. Now I have a great news for them. So a new book has come out in the market, which is Problems and Solutions in Mathematical Statistics, authored by Professor S.C. Gupta, Vikas Gupta, and Sanjeev Kumar Gupta. So in this book, you will find the solutions to most of the problems in the exercise sets of FMS. Now, every effort has been made to avoid printing and typographical errors. But if you notice any one of them, please try to notify them to the publishers at their postal address or at their email address given in the book. So we firmly believe that there is always a scope for improvement of the book. So for this, we'll appreciate receiving your views, reviews, and comments and suggestions. So your reviews and comments are a source of great encouragement, inspiration, and motivation to us for the further improvement of the book. So in the end, I'd like to thank all of you for patient listening. Stay safe and stay blessed with lots of love, best wishes and blessings for festive Diwali and Bhai Dooj. SCG.
Okay.